A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We'll do a quick update on that. On Bitcoin, we'll talk about some fundamentals. I have quite some interesting things to talk about, including the dollar strength index and some fundamental things. But we'll also talk about the technicals. Of course, the technicals have been doing some things at the very least. We had quite not a crash. I wouldn't call it a crash, but we had quite a big drop over the course of yesterday evening and tonight, but it was mainly during the night yesterday or during the evening yesterday. So let's get right into it. Bitcoin itself is still holding up. I mean, yesterday in the technical analysis and yesterday in the update, we did already expect something like this. If you remember correctly, I did expect us to at least drop down to this level right here around 23,900. We dropped down a little bit lower, dropped down below 23,900 as well, which is not that great, but we'll talk about the implications of that a little bit later. Apart from that, continuing what I think is fairly bearish for crypto is continuing lawsuits by the SEC. They have really been on a roll. They're suing more and more crypto companies, and especially, I mean, it really looks like they're targeting the more vulnerable actors within the whole crypto community, trying to get some sort of jurisdiction, or I don't think that's the correct word in English, it is in Dutch, but they're trying to get some sort of past judgments to maybe attack the bigger players like Coinbase in the future. But this is bearish, I think. It's an overall aggressive stance of the SEC on crypto. And to me, I'd rather see that Jerry Gensler guy is gone sooner than later, but all right. Apart from that, what I think is interesting is that the dollar strength index has been fairly bullish. Now, this is negatively correlated with Bitcoin, so that's bad. That could be one of the reasons why we dropped like this. I mean, this you can see that we spiked up massively yesterday evening, which corresponds very well with this drop. But we are nearing a very strong resistance level around $105, or more specifically, 104.7 and 105. So I'm expecting bearish momentum from there. How much we still have to see, but I'm expecting bearish momentum, and therefore I'm expecting some bullish momentum coming from that event or from that move into Bitcoin. For now though, I mean, as I said, I did expect us yesterday. We in the afternoon we touched 25,000, which is a massive resistance level. It's a psychological level. It's a level we haven't touched in I don't know how long. I mean, yeah, we touched it briefly the 15th of August, and we all know what happened afterwards. I'm not saying that's going to happen now, but it says something about the level at the very least. All right. So right now what we have done is we have dropped down. We have not found support at 24,000, which is a little bit of a bummer. But right now we have found support right here around 23,500, and altogether this candle closes in about 8 minutes. I do expect us to close below it. All right. So we took a break retest. And I'm also expecting some more bearish momentum because of that, to kind of drop down towards 23,250, that level. And I do think at this point in time we'll hold that. As I said, I'm expecting bullish momentum from the dollar strength index. So therefore I also think that we can actually, and this might be a risky thing to say, but therefore I think we will be able to get back up to that 25,000 level somewhere beginning of next week or in the weekend. It depends. I mean, the dollar strength index is obviously closed in the weekend. But we'll see. Weekends have been quite bullish altogether for us the last couple of times. So we might see some bullish momentum that allows us to break above 23,900. That is my bias. To me, it's not about when, or it's not about if. It's about when. Now I do want to say, I mean, the markets right now are pretty volatile, pretty unpredictable. So I might be wrong about this. It's all about that 23,250 level. I think it's going to hold. If at some point of time it will break, I will obviously update you on that. But then the market circumstances do change, and then we'll at least get into some sort of a consolidation. But then it does look like we have lost our bullish momentum. But yeah, that's not what I expect for now. This is what I expect. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.